Hey everyone, Naomi here, and I'm ready to bring you my top 5 tips for creating a Scandinavian styled space, which we know is oh so popular right now. So tip number 1 for the Scandinavian look, simple is key. Scandi, not all the way to minimalist, but simple is key. Number 2, clean lines are an absolute must with the surfaces and the finishes in that space. Number 3, contrast is very welcome in the Scandinavian look, so don't be shy with contrasting your finishes against one another. And tip number 4, incorporating shapes such as your hexagonals, your circles, along with your long lines will bring you a long way to getting that great Scandi look. And number 5, without doubt, is introduction of textures. So light, refined timbers only, and they can be such a hit.